You searched how to buy shares of Griffon Corporation. Griffon Corporation is a diversified manufacturer active in home and building products and industrial and defense electronics, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GFF. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker GFF to find the stock. Check the search results carefully to select the correct Griffon Corporation listing. On the asset page, you'll find a short company description and a price chart, which help confirm you have the right listing. Verify the NASDAQ ticker GFF and basic company details before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading opens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it completes the order. Once confirmed, your Griffon position will appear in your portfolio. For the example linked to eToro, see the description below.